everyone, welcome back to another episode of Earth to Rocco. Today we're going to be making some delicious vegan pancakes. These vegan pancakes only require a few simple ingredients and they're really easy to make. Until I found this recipe, I hadn't had pancakes since before going vegan. And I was really excited to find a recipe that made pancakes that were super fluffy and delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make some basic pancakes, but you can always add in some chocolate chips, fruits, or nuts. I'm super excited to make these, so let's get started. To make our pancakes, we're going to start with the dry ingredients. I'm going to put 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Then 2 tablespoons of organic white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The baking powder is what's going to make our pancakes nice and fluffy. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to put in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You don't have to, but it's going to add an extra depth of flavor to your pancakes. Now we'll just whisk up the dry ingredients. Just make sure to mix it well. For our wet ingredients, I'm starting with 1 cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice is going to help to activate the baking powder. And then just stir that up. Now I'll add that into the dry ingredients. And just give it a good whisk. We're going to keep whisking until our batter is nice and smooth. Now this just needs to sit for a few minutes, and as it's sitting, I'm going to prepare my pan on the stove. So the first step to cooking our pancakes is to turn the stove on to a medium heat. You don't want it too hot, otherwise it'll burn the pancakes. Now I'm just going to melt a little bit of vegan butter in the pan. I'm going to use a ½ cup measuring cup to measure out my pancakes. This is to make sure that they're evenly sized. Now that our pancake is starting to bubble, we can flip it. Just flip it one more time. And there you have your beautifully fluffy vegan pancake. Those are some fantastic pancakes. They're super fluffy and they almost melt in your mouth. That little bit of cinnamon adds an extra punch of flavor that makes this super delicious. I found my new breakfast go-to. Thank you for joining me in creating these flavorful, easy pancakes. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earthtorocco.com for the ingredients and instructions for today's pancakes and more. See you in the next video.